Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it that high. Hey. 4L13, stepping on shit to this pride. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace of Frank. Heard. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Breaking and bending the spines. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 6 times. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the time that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Listen, hold up, hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? What? Texting emojis, tongue out eggplant, must have went over her head. Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Listen, yeah. Let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass. He got hit in the head before. Ops get undivided attention. I give them my all. How you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the month? How? Make a distance. See how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say she hungry. I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fleet. I don't do back ends and fronts.
No.
Hey y'all, it's your girl haarmonilashawn, and I'm here back with a video. Period. Yeah. I don't know. What about today's breakfast? I'm full, like. For real. I'm gonna tell y'all before I get into this video for real. But like yesterday I cooked breakfast. And I don't know why I felt like cooking breakfast today. But I really did. Honestly, the only reason I cooked breakfast today, because I cooked it yesterday. The only reason I cooked breakfast today is for content. Because I ain't recording today. But I don't know what. Yesterday breakfast, when I cooked breakfast, like I kept going back and getting some more. Like I was so hungry. Like I don't know why I was so hungry. Like it just wasn't filling me up. Today's breakfast, I can't even finish the first plate. Like, y'all, eggs. Pancake. So I'm not even done with none of it. Like, I'm not even done with my fucking cranberry juice. I had went over there and cooked it. Y'all, but I don't cook breakfast 3 times in 2 days because I cooked breakfast at home. Then I went to his house, cooked him breakfast, and then so the next day I'm cooking me and my brother breakfast again. Like, I just text my cousin I cooked breakfast if she wants some, and she's here now, I think. Hi.
Hi, you rockin' pipe, ain't you?
I ain't got a clue, bro. Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up.
And I food from another, and then the dessert from somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, and then we put a wall.
Decision order.
They do a yeah. You gotta get out there and block traffic. They so do.
If I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming back. Ain't no sentiments, I just walk out and blow some grass. You can smoke what you want, bro, just crash some pack. Look at this bitch all over me. Look at my wrist all froze. Look at my shirt from overseas. That'll make me no hoe. That'll make me more hopeful. Everywhere you go, they know you. Can't be antisocial. I can't sleep sometimes. I need some mind. Girl, that we don't find. Say I need be with it down. If she with me, she mine. If she with me, she fine. Excuse me if I'm late. I'll be your sleepy time. Pretty good.
Okay, y'all. So we're at the restaurant. I can just go box because I didn't eat all my food because I cooked breakfast this morning, as y'all can see. If I knew we was going out for lunch, I wouldn't have cooked breakfast, but I did. I think we're gonna go to the dishwasher store and some Arran. It's I know it's been on my channel a couple times, but it's a dress kind of outfit store. To find me something. Well, I'm gonna find me something. I'm supposed to be finding me something. You know what it is when we got some stuff in the back. Forgot the tour. I just came here and started. I went straight in that mode. Y'all know when y'all get in the store, especially shopping for outfits, y'all know y'all get in that mall. Y'all don't forgot to tell my man about everything, y'all. I got these cute ass outfits. I'm finna look so good tonight, y'all. This outfit is so pretty, and it's so cute on me. Like, that's a pretty thing, like. I'm trying to see this pants that I had.
Small. Was a medium.
I don't know how to put these stuff back on either.
Good.
You got some shorts.
But like, how you like?
Don't you? Do you have any booty shorts?
I don't know what they is if you move.
Everybody else has been moved.
Like, don't know what they is.
What about that baby girl shorts?
It's some baby boot shoes over there. Her hair's so pretty. Alright, y'all, so I need to find something for me to wear tomorrow. And let's see.
You got that baby girl shirt?
No. This shirt is $25. This shirt cute, but it's a little.
Not like the baby girl shirt?
I mean, it's cute.
Oh, you want that white shirt I showed you?
Let me see.
You gotta find your size, sugar. That was probably large. This was definitely a. I'm ready to go. You better hurry up.
Still it's too big.
Yeah, I do. Yeah. I don't know. This is a non-sticky for the season. Boom.
Y'all. Oh, gotta get some glasses too. Hell no.
Those are cute. They
No,
got
baby.
the- Yes, she did.
No, baby.
Look.
I just about to turn shades and you didn't even
I don't know where they at.
They in the car up under the dashboard.
Y'all, that's so ugly. Y'all, the outfit I just bought, just know, I'm finna eat two hoes up tonight. Just letting y'all know. Just letting y'all know. I'm finna eat the fuck out y'all hoes tonight, baby. Y'all would be lucky them heels ain't have my size, I swear to God, cause them heels had my size, baby. Oh, y'all was in trouble. Y'all was in motherfucking trouble, and I'm not playing at all. Cause you know, tonight, over with. Cause baby, I was going step, y'all. Step, and I didn't even know word, baby. I was going, man, baby, come in there like this, my graduation. I don't know, 30 days straight, I ain't sleeping 30 days straight. Okay, y'all, so we're in the car right now. We at the gas station. The camera looks slanted because it's up on the thing, but we're finna go home.
That's Edna Brindle. I thought you shot
Why
me.
she pulling it up? Your ass already.
That's what I'm saying, girl.
But we're finna go home.
I thought you shot me a bird because I shot her a bird.
So that was okay. I told her let me get some of hers. I don't want my own. So if she's a light spending money.
Retail therapy. Oh, what mine is?
I said I wanted some of yours, not yours.
I can't
mean-
even get no slush.
I said I wanted some of yours, not
I
my
ain't
one
get
for
no
my own.
slush. Hi, kid. You got
What's on mine? What's on mine?
Yeah. But I know she speak.
But she had found her Spanish church. She, you know, she
Okay.
It's later. Don't mind the quality. The quality's horrible. But I just got the shower. I'm on my bed. It's real later, y'all. It's 6 something. But we finna go to the graduation after we get ready. We leave. Mom said we leaving at 7:15. The graduation started at 8 o'clock. Yes, I know it's late. But the graduation started at 8 o'clock. We leaving at 7:15. Gang. I think I'm gonna beat my boyfriend family there because he said, cause I was like, cause we had started getting, I had got in the shower. When I got in the shower, he was like, don't start getting ready yet because they still at the event center. And I'm like, so we're definitely gonna beat them there. But that's fine, I don't care. I ain't put on my clothes yet cause it's like 6:11, so I'm not really finna put on my clothes right now. I already got my lashes on from earlier, so I ain't gotta do my lashes. All I gotta do is put my hair in a ponytail, do my edges, and I already got my outfit picked out that I bought at the store earlier. I'm very excited. Hopefully it's very cute like it was in my head. But other than that, y'all, I'm just gonna chill. And I already finished the first half of this video, so everything up to this point is already edited, y'all. Your girl do not play when it comes to editing stuff, but I'm gonna get back to y'all once I'm getting ready. Y'all don't get mad, but I'm basically ready. I'm mad because my outfit, don't piss me off, but I'm mad because my outfit ain't come out how I thought it was gonna come out. Come on, repeat. Please don't mind that. That's embarrassing. But yeah, and I ain't do my edges yet. But yeah, my outfit ain't come out though. Okay. But there ain't nothing wrong with it. It's just in my bra, like, I don't know. Ain't nothing wrong with it though, like. Ain't nothing too much wrong with it, but I don't know. Maybe I'm doing too much, maybe I'm not. I still look cute. Don't get me wrong, I still look like a bad bitch, but I don't know. It just ain't eat how I thought it was gonna eat. It's just simple. But like I knew the outfit was simple, and that's what made it cute. But I was just expecting a little. I was just expecting a little more, you know? Like, I don't know. Y'all, fit check. I'm shooting. Glass from Maverick, shirt from Maverick, pants from Maverick, shoe from Maverick, purse from Maverick, a purse from Ross, I think, hair from Maya Creations, me from my mama. Y'all, we at the graduation. Hey.
Okay, this is Kamar. This is Harmony. Kamar.
Hey.
Hold on, let me see that. You vlogging?
Oh my lord.
Where you going?
Oh, he finna fuss at me. Okay, y'all. We at graduation.
What? The camera, you finna be in the YouTube video.
Oh, hey, y'all. We at graduation. It don't start till 8. It's 7 something. My armpit's sweating. I'm ready to go already.
I look good. Okay, y'all, we still at the little graduation shit. Y'all, it's so many motherfucking folks. This look like a wedding game. Hey, Keem talking about where you going? Like the bathroom might be with you. Where you going to go? I gotta go in. Oh my God, you gonna follow this over? Mama, where you at? Y'all have to have I can't back up. You gonna close the door so I see it? Okay. And I'm short of hair, you can't even see my hair. How she get on that? Yeah, big power. Y'all literally got the same pants on for real, right? Yeah, I think you do. Girl, you big. God damn.
this on. So, here. Right. Look out. Set you back. Right here. Come on. Can you reach it? No, for real. Don't want to keep going in here. Don't drain down in net. No, boy. That bitch got a 40-inch ball. I can say, but damn. It ain't even no 40-inch ball. Bitch, it ain't even 40-inch, damn. 40-inch buzz down, bitch. What you talking about? You got a 40-inch buzz down, bro. I just realized what the fuck you just said. What you mean a 40-inch ball? Bitch, it ain't no damn ball. You gotta go with that fast walking shit.
Please rise for the retiring of the colors.
Look at my man. Well, I seen him that time. See Rick. Hello?
Upon you the diploma of high school graduate to signify your journey from student to adult. We will now ask you to please move your tassel from right to left.
Everybody take a picture.
Take it out. All right, I'll see y'all later. Okay, we'll be on.
What you want to say? Oh, she didn't do too much. I still got my phone.
What was it about?
Like, it was...
I ride by myself. And turn that shit up. By myself.
I'm at our man's house, and we're finna go to the event center where Isaiah, because his brother graduated. My brother-in-law, I'm so proud of you. Even though we just met like 6 months ago, but me and my man 6-month anniversary tomorrow too, by the way. But I'm gonna be vlogging tomorrow. I'm gonna keep this going, and then I'm gonna have another video coming out with him. So I'm gonna be quiet on it, but they changing, and we finna go to the event center so we can celebrate Isaiah's little graduation thing. I'm excited. I hope you have fun. I hope it's fun. Like, I know it's gonna be fun because we did the same thing for KK birthday party, and we did it big. Sorry, the fuck up. Literally, man. And all his family there, my mama there. It's just a lot of people, friends, all that.
KeemandHaarmoni right here.
Thank you so much, Mom.
You're welcome.
I like this one. Then that's my chain, my silver chain. Y'all like my silver chain? I can't buckle. Y'all buckle it?
You can do it right here.
I like it like this. I like it like this.
Don't get jealous, King.
Oh, God.
Don't be jealous.
Your
time is
Look,
next.
there you go, look. She told me earlier you was gonna get jealous. She told me earlier you was gonna be jealous. Hey y'all, it's the next day. I'm at
Keem, what do you want to say?
Keem's house with the baby.
Keem, what do you want to
Say hey.
say? Your tongue's not nothing.
Yes, it is purple.
Oh,
It was blue.
I can't see mine.
What y'all just had? What y'all just ate?
Yeah, look amazing. But we just sitting at the house until later. Everybody's gone. God.
Why are you too heavy for that, man?
Everybody's gone. I'm gonna be back down Wednesday. I'm gonna get back to the house and we about to be type stuff. Cause we're not doing that thing. And there's no point in me vlogging it.
Who's that?
The camera. Huh? The camera.
Camera?
Let me see. Let me see you something. I tell mom to shut up. Scared to grab some crawfish. Yeah, I think so. He eat just like me. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Stop moving, baby. Oh.
He's got it bad.
Let's go. Like that, wait 2 minutes. Oh God, they do the bumps. You know what I'm saying? Just die. Just die. Well, this is big, man. That hold the bad over there. There you go. Keep going. Alright. But I use it. Hold on. You know we're good? What up, boy?
I just finished eating. I look a mess. Y'all got on my bed clothes. I ain't even go back home this time. I'm glad I didn't though, cause I wear a white shirt and I would have put that shirt up with these crafties. Cause
Let me see. I run away with the phone. Go record the kids. Go record the kids and stuff. Alright. Finna have all these kids, they name, see, they know their name and stuff. Alright. We'll start with the old kid. Alright. What's your name?
Queen.
State your name and your occupation. Alright. What's your name?
Yeah, that's
occupation. Name and occupation. Full name and occupation.
No. No. Hey, edit that out.
Full name. Or just your first name and your last name.
It's Hazel. Dr. Williamson. Dang, KK. You go tell. I can't. Edit that out.
Micaiah Clark. All right, baby, come here. Hold on. All right, baby.
Wait, you got a YouTube channel?
All right, baby, look, get off the swing. 1, 2, 3. All right. What's your name?
Winter.
What's your last name?
Mom.
Mm-hmm. All right, you can go.
Yay.
All right, what's your name? I need your name.
Star.
What's your last name?
None of your business. You want to stay with me?
All right, kiddo. Kiddo. Baby.
Oh.
Sweetheart.
Hey, don't.
All right, what's your name?
Alana.
Last name?
Rivera.
All right. What's your name?
Kirsten.
Last name? Oh,
Gamon.
Oh, Kirsten Gamon. Good job. All right, what's your name?
My nickname Baby Jewel.
All right, what's your last name?
What? My last name Williams.
What's your name?
His name Antonio Young.
I'm the last one. Big slime ball.
No, he's not.
The big.
His name is Elijah.
What's your name, bro?
Anthony.
What's your last name?
Bob. Look how he look him.
What's your last?
Bob DeMar.
Yep. Got these slimes outside.
in the place, it's time
Do
to
that,
go.
but come on, baby. Don't be scared. Hey, y'all want me tightrope?
Damn, she'll drop me on home.
I look good, I don't care.
What's up?
Hey, Harmony, get me.
What I'm gonna do?
I'm saying, get me record me.
I'm recording you.
What is fuck?
Isaiah?
Ah. Mom. No, you know Andy ain't going to that, dummy. You can't even let. Oh, where is that?
Stay with my man live. Girl, you scared me. I'm flying. I'm quitting me. I got a YouTube channel, yes. Yeah, my stepmom was talking to my real mama about. I said real mama. My stepmom was talking to my mama about another trip that she planning on. I don't want to let me go. Mama don't let me go, y'all. I'm gonna cry and I'm gonna tell y'all. and I'm having a mental breakdown and I'm recording and I'm gonna put it in this video. So I'm gonna know by the end of the night if I can go or not. And I'm gonna tell y'all. But yeah, this is really the end of this video. If I don't never come back, make sure y'all like, come subscribe, turn on post notifications so you know if I time for the video.
We're gonna
and
y'all right here, We're gonna love y'all link, Uncle. Tell the hoe get at me at I don't got no social media, but Harmony got my number. I just asked her for it in the comments. Hold on.
You just gonna let your brother disrespect your...
Yeah, but all y'all hoes get at me.
Me first, I wouldn't let my nigga jack me up like that.
Actually, you wouldn't let who do what, nigga? You wouldn't let who do what, nigga? Is that you pussy fuck? Yeah, though, tell him. Yeah, they need to tell them they do something to him.
Your mama calling you.
Where's the key?
I'm hiding. I don't care, y'all. I ain't going for none of that, baby. I'm hiding. I'm finna hide here with baby. Forget all that. I'm with baby. I'm the dog, baby. Everybody out here fighting and cussing and screaming and yelling and... Good. What's she doing? The tub?
No, that girl.
I can't do nothing.